So we're back after months of not being here, and it's Dapper Day. No one told me. Didn't see anything about it online. So everyone's all dapper and dressed up, and I'm not. I'm sad about it. Do you feel like you were left out?
Yes, I do. I really, really do.
This might be the saddest day of my life. I'm also limping because I have a strained ligament. And I'm running the Star Wars Dark Side half marathon tomorrow. So I'm like just limping and like trying to take it easy. And we're trying to head over to Adventureland towards Tortuga because I want Mexican really bad. And I wanted to eat there last time, but we ate at Pinocchio House because that's where Nadia wanted to eat. So she owes me. But there's literally so many people here, I want to die.
So I must have pasta. Stop. Nothing. We're not doing anything.
It's probably a really bad angle as well. Obviously we're sitting at Tortuga, but we're not eating Tortugan food, obviously, because for whatever reason it's closed today, even though it's like super busy and it would make sense for them to open it and have everyone come and sit down, but they're not open. So we went to Pecos Bill and stood in line for 10 minutes and got our food. 10 minutes after we had ordered, waiting for our food. And then we took our stuff off the tray and came over here to sit down and chill. And I propped my feet up, not that you like even care, but because my knee is still bothering me. And I'm tired, and we stood for a long time, and it's quieter over here because it's like super hella busy today. And I think it's busy because it's obviously race weekend, and it is Dapper Day as well, so something I did not even know. Hi. You literally wanted to film, and now I'm filming, and you're like,
wait, no, I'm looking at wait time. Hey, can you...
breathe fire. Oh wait, it's gotta breathe fire. Look. Yeah. Look at Philip getting it. Yes. Wandering pirates again. We're waiting on our mom, and Nicholas, our brother, is coming. We were like stalking Jack Sparrow again, but he literally like hates me. Every time he sees me, he's like, oh god, this girl. So I was like trying to hide from him. Buckle your swashes. Every time I like think we can do it, we can't.
For your own safety.
We done stuck, y'all.
Not that mine's probably any better, right? How bad is mine?
It's gonna be a double!
There's dapper people there, not smokers.
So much people mover, so little time. It's out of this world.
Oh my god, please keep getting towed.
That's a cast member.
Wow, Mom. I know what you're doing.
doesn't want to be Dapper.
So drop in and join Mike Wazowski and all his pals at Monsters Incorporated Loudmore. Share the fun.
We're gonna go be Dapper in space. Space. It's so possible to be Dapper in space. I have like the worst. I have like the worst. Dapper. These mountains smell so good though.
To a galaxy far, far away.
Be sure to supervise children at all times. And remember that passengers in wheelchairs must transfer into a rocket to where activated by this invention. Expectant mothers should not lie, and passengers who do not meet the minimum height requirement may not lie. Be sure to supervise.
Me and Maddie here. You can probably can't even see her,
Here, wait, let me put a light on.
but we.
Shine a light on my head.
Okay, so we're at the Walt Disney
monorail.
Lodge. Woo, monorail! And we have a view of the contemporary. We have a view of the castle. We have a view of all Magic Kingdom, basically. Splat. Of.
I saw Big Thunder
and
Mountain
also.
I see
that
Bells and Beast Castle.
white
It's over
thing
there.
is Space Mountain, and the fireworks start in a few minutes. We're really excited, and that is a marathon tomorrow.
And my knee hurts. Woo! What? Magic Kingdom.
Yeah.
The Kingdom of
Magic Kingdom. Magic. The camera cannot see us. It's so bad. There we go.
Can you see us? Can you see us now? Oh yeah.
Okay, and the fireworks start soon. I'm so excited. I hear
I think
music.
I hear music. Is the castle changing color?
The castle is
Castle's
changing color.
Fireworks are starting. Oh look, fireworks! Fireworks! Yay! Starlight,
Starlight, first star I see tonight. I wish I might have the wish I wish tonight. Let's make a wish and do as dreamers do. Do as dreamers do. And all our wishes will come true.
I bet you guys, a lot of you don't believe in wishes come true. Whatever the heck you said. Oh, I like those.
Yeah.
A lot of pixie dust.
It's coming.
Yay!